Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of June. Let's see what your month has. Let's shuffle first. Alright, let's see what your month has. Alright, Virgo, somebody is in a third party situation, I see. And this situation demands justice. And you want a happy home with one of them at least. Alright, what you don't see is temperance, the need for balance, the need for equal give and take. So I know that you're not being able to decide which one to go for, because I think because you feel both are equally right, but there's a need to be just in this situation. So temperance coming here means that if some of you, if you are unable to decide, let me help you out. See out of the two who's giving you equal, where there is equal give and take, where there is a balance of everything in a relationship, where there is a partnership. So go for that. And money is good this month, offers are good, and your happy home is not far. You need to change your perspective and be right in this situation in order to get this what you're badly looking for: abundance, stability. Let's see, let me clarify. Yes, like I said, oh my god, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? You're looking for a happy home, four of wands, and one of the third party, like I said, for one you want a happy home, badly want a happy home. The other is passion. Devil here is just pure passion, so beware of that. And see, God will give you justice once you are just, right? So you need to really let go of the passion. If you really want a happy home, you really need to let go. You need to walk away from that devil energy very clearly. I think the cards are speaking out for themselves. Things are looking good, provided you let go of what is holding you back. Passion is not wrong, but in this case it doesn't look right either. Let me clarify this with major arcana cards. Happy home can only be found where there is an equal give and take, where there is more love, okay, see, the devil flew out. What did I say? Devil flew out again. So I think the universe is really asking you to let go of this. Hierophant flew out. Listen to your intuition. I think your intuition will guide you, Virgo. Your intuition will guide you. You will be guided to the right path, I feel, this month. Okay. The moon. Okay. So, hidden emotions. A lot of things have been hidden from you. Something is not right. And what will tell you this? Your intuition. So, I think this third party situation will be solved this month. Things will come to right. Listen to your intuition. Do the right thing. Look where there is passion, where there is love, where there is a balance, where there is both. Find that out if you're not being able to decide. Let's see how you can handle this month. Don't find faults unnecessarily just because you have to decide quickly. You don't need to. Be undisturbed by coaxing, convincing if the other person does when you're walking away. And steady. Again, steady is coming even after I shuffle for every sign today, I guess. So I think there's a need to be steady because the planetary situation is such that we want to quickly change things. But I think be undisturbed by certain someone. If you're wanting to walk away, they might try to coax you into it. Don't find faults just because you have to decide, and be steady. I think just do the right thing this month. That is what the ask of the hour is, and things will, I think, quickly you will find a happy home, what you're looking for. Thank you for watching.